So for this video, guys, we want to look at slot flood as the perfect complement to the 689 hook cover 3 bomb that we showed you in the Dolphins playbook that also will be on this guide. Now, what we're going to do here is I'm going to call slot flood, and what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to audible to 689 hook real quick. Show you the cover 3 bomb. See how we've got that A is going to be our cover 3 bomb player. He does that S route. What we did for that was we max protected, put the X on a zig, and put the B on a streak. And then we motion the B and we hiked it behind the A. Typically what I'm going to do is once I motion them, I'm going to keep on pressing the A button to spam it. So they will hike it at the first available opportunity, and that's right behind the A receiver. So if you remember that, what we're doing, I'm keep on pressing A, hikes the ball. The B goes ahead and takes that player out of the way. A is going to get open for the one-play score over here for the left-hand side. Now, what I've been noticing is once I've run this once, the user will typically go ahead and try to cover that guy down the field. I usually have good success at least trying to get him on the first time. But what I want to do is show you how we can use this slot flood to either run this play early in the game to set up the 689, or run the 689 and then set up this play, okay? Whatever way you want to do it, at least gives you an opportunity to give a same look, but also get different things. So basically what I'm going to do the same max protection that we did there before, all right? And then what we're going to do here is we're going to put the B on a streak, and we're going to put the X on a drag, okay? Then we're going to take that same motion, and we're going to keep on pressing A, and you're going to see that it's going to look exactly like the S, and then you're going to get that A to break out to the outside. If we get them to notice this, right, then you're going to have a good opportunity to get the 689 hook in, right? So that was against hard flats. Here's against cloud flats. I do like to smart route the A just to make sure that I've got that ability, and I'll typically try to run this first. I've got the drag underneath just for a spot, so if I have to throw it right here, what they're doing is I'm establishing that I'm okay taking the drag underneath. I want to keep on sucking down their user, right? So when the time comes and I want to go for the 689 hook bomb, I'm going to make sure that I have that ability to where they say, oh, I've seen this motion before. I've seen this A do this thing. He's going to the right with it. And then, oh, no, wait a second. He's not going to the right with it. By then, it's not going to matter. They have to have a beat on this the entire time in order to stop it. So we want to give them just enough self-doubt to cover that player by mixing in this route combination to make sure that when they feel like they've seen it or subconsciously they've seen this before, you know, they don't feel like they have to cover this A receiver to the inside. They're waiting to cover him to the outside or this X underneath, right? So I'm just going to step up in the pocket, throw this here, and that's against cloud flats right there. It's going to get the same type of result. So that's why I want to make sure that by adding this play, which we did not have in the Dolphins playbook, but now we have in the Broncos playbook, we're able to do this type of scheming with the 689 hook, which is found in both.